Hey guys, Anam here. Welcome back to my channel, The Digital Masterni. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Tomorrow is Mother's Day and we are in a lockdown, so we can't really buy any gifts to our mothers or take her out for dinner or lunch since Ramadan is also going on and no hotels are open because of COVID. So, I'm here with some cool ideas to celebrate Mother's Day at home, that too with minimal resources. So let's get started. Before starting to talk about the cool ideas to celebrate Mother's Day in lockdown, I would love to talk about the history of Mother's Day, where and how it all started. Let's take a look. Every second Sunday, people celebrate Mother's Day by buying gifts and showering their mom with a little extra attention. It is obvious that there is no question that the woman who raises us deserves one's greatest love and affection. But there are actually reasons as to why we celebrate Mother's Day. It all started back in 1905 when Anna Jarvis began campaigning to make Mother's Day a recognized holiday in the US. Following her mom's death that same year, the young Jarvis wanted to honor her mother by continuing her work and working to create a day to celebrate moms everywhere. After gaining financial backing from John Wanamaker, a department store owner, in May 1908, she organized the first official Mother's Day celebration at a Methodist church in Grafton, West Virginia. Following the success of her first Mother's Day celebration, Jarvis, who remained unmarried and childless her whole life, resolved to see her holiday added to the national calendar. By 1912, many states, towns, and churches had adopted the Mother's Day as an annual holiday, and Jarvis had established the Mother's Day International Association to help promote her cause. Her persistence paid off in 1914 when President Woodrow Wilson signed a measure officially establishing the second Sunday. In the years since, the holiday have become quite commercialized as many companies promote mom-specific gifts and cards. Jarvis openly protested the day's commercialization prior to her death in 1948. She insisted people should honor their mothers through wholeheartedly handwritten letters expressing love and gratitude rather than buying tangible things. In my opinion, also, it is also the thoughtfulness that counts or matters. So there is no need of buying expensive items. I mean, you can definitely buy if you can afford or if the conditions are okay and you can go outside. But in lockdown, it is not possible somehow. So let's have a look on some cool, creative and thoughtful ideas to celebrate Mother's Day. Not much creativity is required. You don't need to know art, craft, creativity or anything. Nothing required. I assure you, your mom will love it. Now that you know what is the origin and the history of the Mother's Day celebration, now let's talk about the ideas of Mother's Day celebration during the lockdown. So here comes the first one. No chores day for mom. Okay, so for this one, you can just let your mom be relaxed and take her time and provide her with some quality me time while you do all the house chores, and it will also be a tribute for Mother's Day. Now, second one is very interesting. I'm sure your mother will love it. You can make an easy dessert for her. It can be a cake or it can be halwa or it can be a cupcake, a mug cake, anything easy you can. And for that matter, if you know any other Indian desserts or any other Indian dish that your mom loves, try to give it a shot. Just try to make it and your mother will be more than overwhelmed. Now here comes the third one. It is also very interesting. You can just throw a virtual party for your mother, in which you can take help from your family and your extended family. What you have to do is you have to just call up all of your mothers in the family. For example, your chachis, your mamis, your buas, your masis, all the mothers in the family, and you can just take them on a WhatsApp group call where you can just dedicate some lines to all of them. The fourth one can be little tricky for our Muslim friends because the Ramadan is going on, but surely our other brothers and sisters can give it a try. What you have to do is you have to just collect a bunch of movies that are mom centric, and you can watch them with your mother. And the fifth one can be a lot of fun. All you have to do is you have to just find for an old picture with your mother, and you can just recreate that picture. The idea number 6 is a pampering session. You can arrange a pampering session for her where you can give her a head massage, a facial, or a foot massage. It will be really calming and soothing for her. She will definitely adore you for this one. Now comes the number 7. You can make a love box for your mother. If you want to make your mother feel really special, then you can try this one out. Just take a love box, decorate it with available items, and put in some handwritten notes where you will tell her how much you love her. The notes should be short and adorable. For example, you can write, "I love you, mommy. You are the best, mommy. You are my role model. You are the inspiration to me." And anything you want to write, or you think your mother can adore, or your mother will cherish, that you can write on those notes. The last idea is to create a video trail. If you have some clips with your mom, collect them all, join together, and send her with special messages. Same you can do with pictures. Trust me, she will cherish it for life. She will never delete these things. So you can try this one out also. I hope these ideas will help you in some or the other way. Our mothers deserve all of it. They are the real heroes of our lives. Let's pray for all the mothers around the globe. May God give our mothers long, healthy, and happy life. If you liked my ideas, or if you found anything relevant or useful here, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Also, follow me on Instagram. The link is in description box. Thank you.